Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week, and we'll be going over the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. On Friday, silver closed above 90 basis points on the 1 hour chart. What we have here is we're slowly approaching to positive MACD after being near oversold on the RSI back on Wednesday, and same with Thursday and Friday. As for the 1 hour chart, we have the 200 moving average, this green line, acting as our next resistance if we do close above the 50 moving average, this yellow line. So there is a possible resistance in near term. As for the 4 hour chart, we have not quite hit the 200 moving average, acting as our support if we do manage to reverse down lower. So for the 4 hour MACD, we see slight signs of it converging, still in negative MACD and not near oversold on the RSI. As for the daily chart, what we have here is we continue to see sideways action, and we are averaging near the 18-day moving average, this purple line, resting along it. And as for the daily MACD, we are still approaching to negative territory. We're no longer at overbought on the RSI. And as for the 9 and 18-day moving averages, it's converging and diverging at the same time. So I do expect a narrow range this week. So for my support, if we do manage to head down lower, the next possible support will be around $26.15, where we encounter previous support levels that dated back all the way to, say, August 14th, and to the upside, the resistance will be where we encounter resistance back in September 1st at around a price of $29, and previous resistance levels also back in August 7th. So if we do manage to head up higher to hit resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 6.7%, and to hit support, that is roughly around 3.6% to move down. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV. On my position, it will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry on a long position will be at $24.70, which is this range right there, very close to where we encountered previous support levels. And my sell target will be $25.30, and my stop loss will be $24.46. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be $25.42, fairly close to where we see the 9-day moving average. That will be my short entry, and my sell target will be $24.94, and my stop loss will be $25.67. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 67% chance for silver to climb higher between 0 to 1.4%. On the other hand, we have a 33% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 1.4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.